Hello, everybody. We are going to get together so we can continue on with our writing lesson. I hope you're as excited about it as I am. So let's take a look. Last time that we were together, we were adding adjectives and describing words to make our writing more descriptive. You have to understand that your reader was not there whenever your small moment happened, and you have to paint a beautiful, magnificent picture with your words. So you have to be able to describe to them so they know exactly what is happening and they know what to imagine right here. Otherwise, they might be imagining things that really weren't there if you're not clear about telling them. So let's take a look at where we left off. We were writing our beginnings, and I asked you to go back and add some descriptive, spice it up a little, descriptive words in to help paint a clear picture. So mine, when I went back and I added, ended up sounding like this, and it matches my picture very well that I sketched. One bright and sunny day last summer, I was walking at the Legacy Trail with my good friends Kelly and Sharon and my dog Jax. As we were walking across the bridge, we saw an awkward looking large baby bird sitting on the railing. So I've kind of set up my beginning. Now I want to say what happens next. So I'm going to look at my picture and I'm going to think about what I might want to say. Because next we're starting to walk, but then my picture is going to change because there's going to be this big bird swooping down trying to get me. So I'm going to have to paint this picture very clearly because my readers don't have this sketch. Okay. Okay, so I think maybe a good way to start is something big is about to happen. So I'm going to say all of a sudden, or I could say suddenly, all of a sudden I saw my friends start to run away because they're running the other direction. But I have no idea why they're running the next direction because I wasn't really paying attention. But then I'm going to notice this bird swooping down, coming at me with its like big scary claws. So I really need to describe that this bird is scary. He's big, and my friends have left me. So maybe I might say this next. All of a sudden, my friends start to run away. I had no idea what was going on until I looked up. And now what do I see when I look up? I see this big bird and the claws. So I think I want to say maybe you can see my eyes were huge. That really shows my reader that I'm scared. I don't want to just say I was scared and I saw a big bird. No, my eyes were huge as I saw this huge bird with sharp claws swooping down right at me. So I've kind of painted this picture here. I'm definitely scared. This bird is scary. It's coming for me. So what do I do? Bird's coming at me. My eyes are huge. I'm panicking. Maybe I'll say I panicked. And then what do I do? What did my body do because I panicked? Maybe I'm gonna like jump out of the way. So maybe I'll say this. I panicked. It was too late to run. So I did the only thing I could. I dove for the ground. So in this picture right here, I've kind of summed up everything that I drew, and I didn't really tell much else because my next sketch for my ending is where I'll wrap it up, but I'm not there just yet. So in the picture here, I see my friends are running away, and I wrote about that. There's this big bird coming down at me, and I'm not paying attention, and I notice it too late. So my sentences here in the middle, they really retell that story there. So, your job today is this: you're going to be opening up your personal narrative organizer just like mine, just like I did right here. And you are going to reread what you wrote in the beginning because it has to flow nicely and it has to make sense and go together. And then I want you to look at your middle sketch, just like I did right here, okay. And I want you to think, how could I describe this using my words? If there's no picture, how can I paint this picture in my readers' minds? What words can I use to communicate this to them? All right. As you noticed, my middle was probably about 4 sentences, 4 to 5. We're not writing this ginormous story, but it should not just be 1 or 2 sentences either. The middle of your story is the bulk of your story, it's the biggest part of it. So I want you to focus on this part. This is what we would call the climax of the story, Lee, where it leads up to this big thing that's happening. And then the ending's kind of where we wrap it up. So, work on your middle today. We won't have another writing video until Thursday or Friday. So, if you want to go back and work on this throughout the week, if you come up with other ideas, that's fine. But don't work on the ending yet. You got me? Capiche? Okay. All right. You might be wondering what is up with Miss Miracle's hair? Where'd her bangs go? Yeah, I'm about to go work in the bathroom, sand the walls so I can paint. So this is I'm working hair. I know, it's not that great. All right. Good luck on your writing. Go be authors. Be descriptive. Think about how we did that. Don't tell. I was scared. That's boring. Show them using descriptive writing. Can't wait to see what you come up with. Adios.